Hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining, be sure and hit that subscribe button and the little bell so that you get notifications of when I upload new content. Today I have a small Hobby Lobby haul for you, and a couple other little things that I got. These are glossy accents, and I got a 2-pack from, let's see, Deb's Deals for scrapbooking. So I picked up 2 of those. And then at Hobby Lobby, all of the Paper Studio was 50% off. So I picked up this set of die cuts. And there's what you get on the back. So I picked that up for $2.50. I picked up these flowers, cabochons. You get the dark brown, the lighter brown with tan. You get some peach and then some cream colored. And these were $2. And then I picked up this brighter package. And you get the lavender, the blue, the green, and then the hot pink. And then I picked up this pack of bows, super cute, for $2. So I picked that up. And then I picked up this Paper Studio Makers, Bakers, and Crafters. You get a 6x12 sticker sheet, some alphas, you get some die cuts, and then you get some papers. Looks like you get 5 sheets with 2 of each sheet. And then super cute die cuts. And then I picked up from Amazon. I'm working with, collaborating with Beebeecraft. And they asked me also to do some Amazon reviews for them. So I picked up this, I believe it's a jewelry making kit. You get these bracelets. Super cute. And then you get a box of charms and O-rings. Let's see if I can get this off. And it comes in their handy little box, but several little charms in there. You get some jewels, some O-rings to add these to your bracelets. So I will give these a try and then let you know how that goes. The love between mother and daughter is forever. Oh, I'm gonna have to give that one to my daughter. So super cute charms, but I'm gonna try this and review these for Beebeecrafts. So that is my small haul, and I will be back with another crafty planner video soon.